The decentralization of government functions started in 1997 to strengthen participatory democracy at the grassroots level and for basic services to be brought closer to the sparsely populated areas of the country. Regional capitals across the country became service centers for decentralized functions to provide social services such as education, labor, and rural water supply, among others. The town of Korijas in the Kunene region once provided these services as well as commercial services when it enjoyed the regional capital status until shortly after independence, when Opuwo was declared the regional capital. The move seems to have impacted negatively on Korijas, as it now provides only a few government services while its commercial activities seem to have also died a natural death.
It makes, for me, no point to decentralize from Windu, which is the center, to the regional capital only, and then let the other smaller towns bleed to death.
The once economically prosperous town is now playing second fiddle to other urban centers such as Ocho in the south and Opuwo in the north, where Korijas residents now have to travel back and forth for their shopping needs, among others. Councillor Murorwa says this calls for a relook at the policy so that services are also brought to other towns to help grow their respective economies. The Kunene Regional Education Office at Korijas is also to be relocated, which could result in the migration of its economically active population also.
When we are talking about development, we need to look at development in a regional perspective and not in a constituency perspective.
The Korijas Town Council has now embarked upon possible facelift projects such as the tarring of roads as well as the mass housing project, all aimed at restoring the town to its former status as well as to draw investors to it. At the moment, Korijas only has one supermarket and one service station in addition to home businesses. I'm Blanche Koreses reporting for NBC News from Korijas in the Kunene region.